Prior to app operation, ensure that the Fyre unit is installed and that the RHP Connect app is downloaded and set up. Be sure to follow all instruction manuals for the Fyre unit and Bluetooth control. You also can return to the AFD website for app setup and additional information. Note: an iPhone is used in this video. App appearance may slightly vary, but the overall process is the same. Prior to lighting, you will need to turn on the system. Locate the power button on the Fyre unit's control panel and push it. From within the app, proceed to the Devices screen. Your device should appear as shown. Tap it to enter the remote screen. Tap the On icon. The screen will display a center flame and moving sparks, indicating that the Bluetooth control is on. The auxiliary control button on the control panel will light, and the 60-second burner ignition sequence will begin. Warning: the burner on-off status must be verified in person, as it is an attended appliance. If the burner does not light, tap the Off icon and follow this statement shown. If the unit still does not light, refer back to Getting Started at the beginning of this video to ensure all steps have been properly followed. To adjust the flame height, tap the High button to increase the flame and the Low button to decrease. To turn off the burner, tap the Off icon. The burner will turn off and the screen will no longer display moving sparks. Please note that a 60-second delay exists prior to relighting. To turn off the burner and system for a total shutdown, or if the remote app is unavailable, push the power button on the control panel. The power and auxiliary button indicator lights will go off. Be sure to fully power off when covering the unit or when not in use. The remote screen displays a settings icon. Tap the icon to enter and view the settings. Adjust as needed. Note: turning the notifications to on will enable a 2-hour reminder on your phone. This feature informs you that the burner has been on for 2 hours via a pop-up notification. To disable, simply turn off the notifications option. Tap the Confirm icon to exit the screen. To add an additional zone or device, enter the appropriate screen and tap the plus icon found on the top right. To delete a zone or device, slide your finger across the desired unit and tap Delete. To edit an existing zone, tap Edit. To log out, simply tap the Logout icon and then tap Yes.